Welcome in second part of our office lighting design. Right, what I'm gonna show, we already prepared everything for in first part. We related to that room. We created just room with sizes 8 meters by 5 meters and 2.8 of height. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna play with this. It is a little bit like a game. We're gonna show what we can do with this room. Alright, first of all, let's have a look and check what we're having. These are the ribbons on the app. We've got different ribbons for start, which is project, products, insert, calculation, view, windows, etc. Right, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna see our room in 3 dimensions. For example, look, there are some buttons in here in this corner. When you click this start here, we can have floor plan and 3D plan. We can do exactly the same from bottom right side of our screen. Whereas here, look, we can switch between 3D and floor plan. There are the other buttons, but they are not active yet because we haven't done any calculations yet. What we can do as well in 3 dimensions, we can left click. When we click left on our mouse, we can just hold it and rotate and see from the other side. We can check and make sure that our sizes inserted before are really correct, right? Okay, so what we need to do next? Right, let's have a look what's on the left side. Alright, yes, what can we see in here? Again, on the left side, we can, when we click on the small office, right, small office, all room is highlighted, we can see when we click ceiling 1, the top of room is highlighted, wall 1, which is there, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4, all walls, all part of rooms are highlighted wherever you click. Alright, when you close that down, when we expand evaluation areas, evaluation area 1, and that is showing our reference planes. Reference planes are the most important. These are highlighted as well. The most important in our case is this one, this reference place with offset ½ meter from the walls. We can rotate that on the height of 0.75 as we mentioned before, as we inserted that. Right, for the office. Okay, what else? So let's start to put some luminaires, some fittings, and see what happens. Alright, so we have to go to a ribbon called products. We have to choose luminaires, right, and we get in message box like that. This one is just telling about possibility of getting some more fittings from ReluxNet. But what are we doing? Do you already know ReluxNet, our powerful product search engine? Right, but we don't need that. We're just clicking OK. Right. Again, OK. In the office, what we're gonna have on the ceiling roof, in the office, we're using tiles. 600 by 600 millimeters, which is 0.6 by 0.6, the tiles, right? So we need to find some fittings with matching sizes. Alright, and that will be, these fittings will be recessed, called recess. Alright, let's filter recess by product wrap. Let's find a recess luminaire. Yes, here we go. We've got a recess luminaire. Is in here. Click that, and our list is minimized. Right. So now we can check. Okay, what recess luminaires we've got available. Right. This one. Click this one. No, this is not really good for Office at the moment. This one, right, that one would be alright. This one, and this one, right, okay. But how to choose the proper one, the right one? Right, we need to check the properties of this luminance. The properties are displayed on the right side. It's like here we've got 3.6 kilolumens of output. The power consumption is 32 watts. Light color is 3000 kelvins. It's a little bit warm. I think it's too warm for this. But let's check what the other description is. CRI is over 80. The color rendering, right. Unified glare is less than 19, right. That's acceptable. I think we can use that, because if we compare that with the other fittings, like this one, yeah, okay, that is giving us better lighting output with 4000 kelvins, which is cooler color. And additionally, the problem is this is showing the system of protection is IP67. I think IP67 is we're gonna use that if, for example, we had Office with some waters or some, you know, some more dusty areas, or that depends on the IP. But 67 is very high. I think we don't need that. Let's try to play with this one. All right. We're choosing this one. If we're choosing this one, we can have much more from the ReluxNet. We can upload more, for example, from phone, for Next Lighting, Philips, Downlight, whichever fittings you want. But in this case, just go, press Add, and we can check. In our selected, we've got our luminaire. Yes, here we go. We've got it. Interior ceiling recess luminaire. Right. What do we have in this? 596 mil. 596, which is 0.6 mil, which is matching the tiling. Luminaire efficacy, which is 112 lumen per watt, which is quite good efficacy. 32 watts power consumption, and 3.6 kilolumens, as we mentioned before. Right. Okay, so let's play with this and just click OK. We have always all the buttons, which is showing for LDC. Right, we can check this curve, distribution curve, which is really useful. CAD drawing, that is showing CAD drawing from the Cypro-V. Data sheet, this was initially. Cone diagram. Photo, well, this is the photo of this luminance. UGR, luminance. Right, all of this stuff. What's the manufacturer? Check, no address available in this. Emergency lighting, we will talk about emergency lighting later. And the options, we're having some additional options like lamp designation, miscellaneous, I use 3D geometry, but we don't need that in this particular project. Alright, just click OK. Right, our new luminaire is shown in here. Look, this in our product. So what we can do now, alright, selected that, but let's go to the start, switch to the start. Let's go to the plan view. Right, we can see our luminaire in here. Right, but we will be talking about how to put this luminaire, how to use calculation in another part. Please see my next tutorial in next part. Thank you very much for watching, and bye.